What's the meaning of countrywide? Countrywide. Countrywide.
Countrywide. Countrywide. The word countrywide is an adjective that describes something that applies to or covers an entire country. This can refer to a variety of things, such as policies, programs, or events that are implemented and take place across an entire country or nation. Using countrywide often implies a sense of national unity or a shared experience among all citizens, rather than something that is regional or localized. Overall, countrywide suggests an overarching, all-encompassing scope that pertains to an entire country.